Today, we're talking about the incredibly important rule of reciprocation. Have you ever noticed when someone does something nice for you, you feel almost compelled to return the favor? That's because of a powerful social rule that we call reciprocation, which is basically just the idea that kindness should be repaid as often as possible when someone else does you a favor. This principle is everywhere and it functions every single day in society. For example, if a friend buys you lunch, you'll probably at least offer to pay the next time you go out to lunch, or you may offer to buy them a coffee or make it up to them in another way. If a coworker helps you meet a deadline or complete an assignment that you seriously need assistance with, you'd probably show gratitude by returning the favor or asking if they need any help completing their assignments. Society thrives on this method of giving and taking, and it's a huge part of the way that communities function. The rule is powerful and it's behavior based, backed by our tendency to return favors, and it's part of our everyday human nature. When I was younger and I was in the 6th grade and my little sister was in the 3rd grade, my little sister and I went trick-or-treating on Halloween, and at one house an elderly man gave us a big handful of candy, much more than what the other houses had given us in the neighborhood. He was probably in his mid to late 70s, maybe early 80s, and we were so thankful that he was so generous, and a few days later he was taking groceries outside of his car and bringing them inside. We asked our dad if he would come help the man with his groceries so that we could return the favor of giving us so much candy on Halloween. This is the power of reciprocation. So the next time that someone does something kind for you, remember it's not just polite to return the favor, but also by the rule of reciprocation and helping others in the way that our society functions, along with our tendency to give back. It is also our human nature to provide for those who have helped us out previously.